Alright, how's everybody doing? Back again with another video for you guys and gals. And this evening what I have for everyone is my unboxing and first impressions of the revised Poetic Guardian series case for the Essential Phone PH1. So I've been rocking this case for a good minute, and you can see this guy has some serious battle wounds on it, got some serious fingerprints on it. It's a really solid case here. With its few downsides, I lose a little bit of touch sensitivity with the screen protector on, and the notification LED of the Essential Phone PH1 is a little bit blocked here, so you can't see it clearly. Now, it still does reflect. When I get a notification, that light reflects, so I can still see that I have a notification. And even if I didn't see that notification light, I still have the adaptive notifications turned on. So when I get a notification, my screen flashes and I can see it. But still, big shout out to Poetic, because I guess a lot of customers were complaining about how they did their first iteration of this case here, how it was blocking the LED notification light. So, and it's really good to see this, they came out with a revised version fixing that problem. So without further ado, let's get into this unboxing and first impressions. And I'm not going to edit any of this out, so you're going to see all of this live. And I'm going to go through how to separate the case, how to put the case on, all that good stuff. So popping it out the package, really good packaging on the Poetic case here. So really clean, really straightforward. Going over some details about the case here. Feel free to pause and read for yourself and make sure that's in focus for you guys. So you can pause and read that. So premium quality design, timeless design as well. You get 3 years exclusive warranty. You thin wrapped all around form and true protection with built-in screen protector as well. So you get full protection on this guy. So let's get him out the plastic. Bam, there he is. Now, I went with the blue and black this time. I wanted to get the black on black, but that one was out of stock and it wasn't in stock till a few weeks from now. And you know, I just wanted to get this in and see if they made some really good improvements here. So, got the blue and black this time. It is what it is. Now, y'all can pretty much see here, very similar design except for with the top piece here. They have that full cutout for your earpiece and your notification LED. Everything else is in the same spot. So flipping it to the side, you see you got your cutouts for your volume rocker and your power button. Flipping it to the back, you got your cutouts for your cameras, your flash, your laser autofocus. Again, you don't have cutouts for your pogo pins here, so can't use your mods if you have mods for this guy. But you do have cutouts for your fingerprint sensors, so on and so forth. Flipping it to the bottom, cutouts for your microphone and your speaker grill. And you got your protective flap for your USB Type-C port. So, good stuff there. Now, similar to a few other cases that I've reviewed on this channel, you pretty much separate this by, you know, digging in and prying around. So we're going to try and do this all on camera. Usually I do this off camera to minimize the struggles, but you know, some of you guys like to see how it's done. So you just separate, dig your finger in there, get a nice separation, work your way around, keep working, and it pops off. Alright? Now, also, shout out to J Will for the nice little pro tip. Now, if you don't like the plastic screen protector, or you're losing the touch sensitivity on this guy, you can very easily pop out this plastic screen protector, and if you find a really nice tempered glass, You can pop that on your phone, and you have maximum protection with your tempered glass. That's something that J Will did. I'm still looking into some screen protectors. I got some really nice recommendations from a bunch of people that follow and watch on the channel. So thank you guys, and y'all will see those screen protectors on the channel. So y'all stay tuned. But really nice pro tip, and I just wanted to point that out here. But that's how you separate the case. So now we're going to take it out of the old version here and put it in the new version and see how she looks. So again, pry. Keep it nice and smooth. Maintain your separation. Okay, work it around, pops off. Again, pop in your finger here, and she pops out. And again, like I said before, if you don't like your plastic screen protector, you can easily pop this guy out. You see? So you easily pop that guy out, get a really nice tempered glass or matte screen protector, put it on your device, and you're good to go. Or you can leave it, pop it back in, and leave it. So we're going to put this one off to the side now, and we're going to put the new one on. So now I know my device has a lot of fingerprints on it. Pretty much lives in this case now. Probably going to pop it off because I do got some screen protectors coming in. Pop it off to try out those screen protectors, but just for purposes of this video, first thing you want to do, take the front, line up the front, pop it on. Alright. Okay, so you got the front on there, you can see, really solid. Oop. And I dropped it. Pick that up, sorry guys. Alright, we're not gonna cut that out. So, get the back, line it up, pop it on, work it around, and there you have it. And give it a nice squeeze to get it a nice snug fit there. And there you go. The revised Guardian Poetic Series case for the Essential PH1 is on and in full effect. And you can see everything works. Nice solid cutout for your fingerprint sensor. Works no problem. Nice tactile button responsiveness for your buttons. So power works. Volume works. No problems there. Everything works. And you can see now you got a nice cutout for your speaker grill and your notification LED. So really solid stuff. Now real quickly, it's going to pop up a search window here and check the sensitivity. So really nice sensitivity there. Now it feels a little awkward here, but I'm not getting any mispresses on the edges, which is nice. Really good stuff. And you guys know, because I said that in the full review of the first version, that I was getting mispresses on the edges, and it looks like they fixed that problem here. So really good stuff. Now I'm still gonna use it for a full week and then come out with a full review, because you know, first impressions are always pretty good, but it takes actually using a product or a case with some day-to-day activities, and you know, you really get a sense of how you like it. So I'm going to use this guy for a week, and I'm going to come out with my re-review for you guys on the revised version of this case. So anyways, that pretty much does it for this unboxing and first impressions of the Poetic Guardian series case for the Essential Phone PH1. If you guys and gals enjoyed the video, please help your boy out and give it a thumbs up. That really does help me out. You don't know how much. If you want to see more raw, uncut content like this, please be sure to hit the subscribe button down below and click off the notification bell icon right next to it so you get notified when I post new videos. As always, all links to where to pick up this case as well as the first generation case will be located down below in the video description. as well. Okay? So please feel free to check out those links down below, and if you use those links down below, you will be supporting the channel. Just want to throw that one out there, using those Amazon affiliate links. So it would be greatly appreciated if you buy your products through those links. A little bit of that goes towards supporting the channel. Good stuff. And it really doesn't change anything for you guys. So all links to this case and the original case will be located down below in the video description at some really great prices. And please remember to check back on those description links so you get the most up-to-date pricing available. Alright, I hope everyone has a good evening, and I will catch you guys and gals in my next video. Peace.